In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add YouTube video in Miro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a YouTube clip onto your Miro board so you can play it right where you brainstorm, present, or collaborate. First, head to Miro.com in your browser and sign into your Workspace. You can do this on any modern browser, and being logged in ensures you can access your boards and save changes. If you're switching between teams or workspaces, make sure you're in the one where you want the video to live. Once you're in, look for the option to create something new. Choose Create New to start fresh. This is helpful if you want a clean space for your content, though you can also open an existing board if that's where the video belongs. Next, select Board to open a blank Miro board. This gives you a canvas where you can add shapes, notes, images, and, in our case, a YouTube video. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the vertical toolbar. Click the plus icon to open the content menu. This panel is where Miro keeps all the tools for bringing in different kinds of content, from sticky notes to files and media. If you don't see the toolbar, hover near the left edge or maximize your browser window to reveal it. In that menu, scroll down and click Upload. Upload is the section designed for bringing external files and links into your board, and it's where the YouTube option will be available. Choose Upload via URL. This tells Miro that you want to bring something in from a web link rather than from your computer. The interface label may vary slightly depending on updates, but it will clearly reference a URL or link. Now paste your YouTube URL into the field. Most standard YouTube links work, including the share link. For best results, use a public or unlisted video. Private, age-restricted, or region-locked videos might not embed. If you're copying from a playlist, make sure you paste the direct video link. Finally, click OK to confirm. Miro will fetch the link and place a playable YouTube frame on your board. Give it a moment to load. You should see the video thumbnail appear. From here, you can interact with it like other objects on the board, and collaborators with access to the board will be able to view and play it as well. If the video doesn't load, double-check the link, ensure the video's visibility settings allow embedding, and verify your internet connection. And that's all it takes to add a YouTube video in Miro. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.